Hi, my name is Wai. Today I'm going to show how to make panel sticker with Cameo. It will work on Cameo 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are going to use the print and cut function. I have the Silhouette Studio version 4.4, the free editions. So first thing, when you open your studio, you will go to the page setup. Make sure your machine is matched. I'm using Cameo 4. Cutting mat is 12 by 12, medium size letter. You want to make sure show print border and show cut border are checked. Next, you go to the registration mark. Very important to make sure this is on, because without those marks, your camera cannot do print and cut. Next, you go to File, Merge, then you can open the design you want. The reason I do merge instead open, because if I do merge, I can open a lot design on the same workspace. If you go open, it's gonna open different window right here. So File, Merge, and because I have the free editions, so I only can open PNG files. Okay, first I'm gonna resize my image because it's way too big. So you go to transform panel and then scale. You want to make sure this is checked, is locked. So I'm gonna do 2.25 and then hit apply. Because I have the latest versions, it's really cool feature is the auto trace. If you click on sand panel, you will see my image have all the red line here. That means it's traced already, so I don't have to trace my image. And those red lines also means cut lines as well. So go to the design. If you have the old version, you have to trace yourself. So you just need to do is go to trace panel, select trace area. Oops. Okay, it's loading. Okay, then you just select the trace. Okay, select trace area like this. You want to make sure your image all turn to solid yellows. So you go to trace hole 100% and then hit trace out the edge. If you move your image like this, you can see it's being traced. So I don't need it because mine is already traced. Okay. Next thing, I wanted the white border around my image. So you go to offset, click your image, and then hit offset. If you want your border bigger or smaller, you can adjust right here. Then hit apply. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay. Now you want to select your image and then the offset line. And then right click, group. If you go to your sand panel, you're going to see two red lines. And because this is a sticker, you only want to cut the outside edge. So what you need to do is just click cut edge, then the camera only will cut the outer line. Then you go back to design, you can add more style, more images. So file, remember merge. So here, same thing, is too big, I'm going to resize it. Go to transform panel, scale. I'm going to change it to 2.25. Then apply. If you need a trace, you can trace now. If you don't need a trace, you can just skip this part. So go to trace panel, select trace area, and then make sure it's trace so it's 100%, and then trace out the edge. You see it's traced, so I don't need that, so I'm going to delete it. Okay, now we're going to do offset panel, select your image, click offset, and then apply. And now select your image and then the offset line, right click, group them. So if you check the sand panel, click on it, and then cut edge. Then you see only cut edge. So now you can add more design you want, or you can just duplicate the one you have here. So if you want just duplicate, you can go to replicate panel. You can fill up the whole page. You see that like this, but you're not doing too good job, so I usually prefer do it manually. I'm gonna undo this first. So you can do like replicate column of 4, so now you have 4 of them, or you can do duplicate in the row, so you can do like 2 and 3, so now you have 4 of them. Oops. I'm gonna undo it. So after you get it, just play around to move around your image, get the design you like. I already make mine, so I'm going to close this one, open the one I make already. Okay, I'm going to open the one I have. Okay, this is a big file, gonna take a little longer to load. Okay, you see that it's all loaded, and you notice that I don't have the registration mark here. So the really important thing to do before you print out your sticker page is make sure you turn this back on first. Okay, there's a really big file, gonna take a long time to process. Okay, let's talk about the planner stickers. I'm gonna print them in KissCut. So what is KissCut? KissCut is like regular sticker usually you buy in store. They all in one page, and have a different sticker there. You just peel the one you need. After you peel it, still have the backing on the paper backing there. It's not the die cut I did the other video, so it won't be individual sticker. It will be one page of 12 sticker on it. Okay, still loading. Okay, finished loading. So now I'm going to add the registration mark. Go to the registration mark, page setup, and add registration mark, and hit on. Now you see the marks on. Just make sure when you make your design, you don't want your image past the red line or on the top or cover the gray area. Because if you do that, Camera will not be able to do the print and cut function, so your sticker is not going to print. It's not going to cut. Okay, now you have everything set up, and I usually like to go to the same panel first to look, make sure everything is correct, looks good before I print it. Okay, now it looks pretty good. Okay, then I go back design, and then I'm going to have to print. So you go to printer, it's a big file, so gonna take a long time to load the pictures. Okay, now you will see, make sure everything looks correct, looks good, and then you hit print. Pick your printer, preferences, paper quality. I'm using a regular sticker paper as matte finish, so I can just pick plain paper. If you're using glossy paper, you make sure you pick glossy. And then make sure it's color, advanced, and make sure your output quality is high quality. And then hit OK, and then apply. and then you can go ahead hit print. I'm going to load my sticker paper in the printer first, and then I'm going to have print, and then I will come back to show you how to set the cut setting. I'll be right back. Hey, okay, I'm back. So I print my sticker already. So next thing you need to do is go to send panel. Because I'm going to do kiss cut, so what I need to do just sticker paper white. If you want to do die cut, you will go to choose cardstock, printable, adhesive back. I'm using auto blade, so they set to the blade setting is 2. Oops, oh no, I didn't touch it. It's 2, 14, and 8. Passes 1. So if you can copy this setting if you want, give it a try. Because I have been using this paper several times already, so I'm not gonna do test cut. I know it's gonna cut correctly. But if the paper you haven't used before, you may want to do a test cut first before you print. So everything looks good. You make sure you know your sticker. Put your sticker on the mat. Then you can after that you can hit send. I'm going to show you how my camera reading registration mark and how it cut, and then we can then you can see how does it work. I'll be right back. Hi everyone, I'm about to cut my stickers, but I want to show you something before I cut it. I always pull out the roll feeder so my mat can be level. And the next thing you notice that I have this light here, so it helped when it starts to read the registration mark. I want to make sure I have enough light there. Okay, I'm going to press send right now. Okay, I'm going to point it here real quick. Oops, here. Then I will start to point my light. Oops. Okay. Okay, now it's finished cutting. I want to show you how good it cut. You can see that. I'm gonna peel it out. Then you can see I'm gonna peel one of them out. Oops. Okay. See, this is the kiss cut. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please click like button and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.